Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the right plug and preparing quickly. Foam compresses, silicone molds, active devices need charge. Once ready, wash your hands and clear obvious debris from the outer ear so you don't push dirt in. Compress a foam plug firmly for about 5–10 seconds, then reach up and back with your opposite hand to straighten the ear canal. This creates a straight path, making insertion smoother and reducing discomfort while ensuring a deeper, secure seal. Once inserted, seat the plug with slow, controlled movements so you can feel when it meets resistance. Do not push hard past that natural stop. For silicone plugs, twist or roll while pressing to form a uniform seal. For foam, hold it in place and wait 20–30 seconds for it to expand fully. Make an informal test by speaking or listening to background noise. Your voice should sound muffled and low frequencies kept. If you hear air leaks, withdraw slightly and reseal. To finish, remove plugs slowly and with a gentle twisting motion so you don't damage the canal or leave residue behind. Quick yanks can hurt. If you feel pressure, pain, or poor attenuation, swap to another size or material. Soft silicone often helps sensitive ears, and inspect for wax buildup before reinserting. Once done, clean reusable plugs per manufacturer guidance and recharge, or replace batteries in active models. If pain, discharge, or hearing changes persist, make sure to see a healthcare professional promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.